Hello, hello, what's going on, everybody? It is me, Gia Renard, and I'm here with yet another non leather related unboxing. So, I think it's pretty common knowledge that I am down with all things nerdy related. I've spoken about it a few times and had a few attempted giveaways regarding this. And let me tell you right now, that has not at all changed. So when I heard about this, I knew that I absolutely had to have it. And this one here comes from Theory 11. And I first heard about this company from Peter McKinnon. He did a video, or rather from his YouTube channel, because I don't know the man personally. He did a video about product placement, and it was regarding some Star Wars themed cards. Now these aren't those cards, but when I saw them, I knew that I had to own them. And that's not the only set of cards that's in here, but the other one, that's going to be a surprise. So let's go ahead and talk about these ones here. So these cards are Star Wars themed, but not just Star Wars themed. They are light side and dark side of the Force themed. I don't want to be a little unnecessarily violent with this pack here. There we go. So there's the one. Of course, the dark side would be easier to get into. Take from that what you wish. Alright, so you should be able to see that pretty well. But join the rebellion. What I'm going to try to do is peel this open instead of cutting it open. I'll try to keep it as intact as possible. There we go, that wasn't too bad. Oh, there we go. Very nice. Stay on target. So, as you can see, very much rebellion themed. Gotta love it. That is quite the nice touch. Should see the detail there. Who doesn't love Lando? I think we can all appreciate what's going on here. Very, very well done. I like these cards. No matter what anyone says, Han acted in self-defense. If If you disagree, you can fight me. I quite like this one. And then designed by Theory 11. And now, get this to focus in, defend the Empire. Same thing. Gotta love it. Alright, so similar, if not same artwork. Different theme on the cards. Now, one thing that I haven't talked about, and it's actually bad on me for not having brought this up, is the texture of the cards. Hopefully this comes in well. Might need to turn this up. Hopefully that helps. So the texture on the cards is pretty visible. Now this card isn't very thick. It's about as thick, if not thinner, than I say your standard business card. But the texture on both the front and the back isn't just flat smooth. It isn't like plate glass or anything like that. Although obviously not as hard as glass. You can see the texture on it. So you can tell that the nail is going over something with some texture and ridges and whatnot in it. And they feel great, and you can actually see individual bits of design and drawn texture on the various suits. So I would say well done, Series 11, excuse me, Theory 11. Put this back. I found it there. I like what you all are doing. So during my next deployment, one of these will be the in-use deck, and the other will be the hero deck. Now, the next one that we've got is, you might have seen it, hopefully it wasn't in focus, 007. So when I saw these, I actually saw them on an app called Uncrate. Side note, I am not at all sponsored by Theory 11 or Uncrate. I really don't want to mess this up. There we go. Get off. So I like what they did here. This box, it's obviously it's got the the gold color foil. I don't know if this is actually gold or not. I highly doubt it. If it is, I would say that's people trying a little too hard. So we've got, let me turn this down a bit. There we go. See some more of those details since they're not being washed out so much. Not sure how much closer I can get it before it stops focusing, but there we go. So the artwork on the box is done very, very well. And I do like that despite the gold accents all over, the black on the box is matte. So they didn't try to make it bright and spangly and any more ostentatious, or not fully ostentatious. So it's got some muted, low-key aspects to it. Oh man, this adhesive is working really, really well. Well, clearly we know which one is going to be the hero pack and which one's going to be the getting used pack. Well, off camera, once this is done, I'm going to properly remove all the adhesive from this box. But for now, I will use the back end of that so I don't scratch up much. And let's get into it. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this was designed and released well before the passing away of Sean Connery. As much as I would love for there to be some tribute nod to Sean Connery in this deck, I strongly doubt that there will be. Now, hopefully there will be some mention to, or a slight nod, a Easter egg, if you will, for Sean Connery, but that's neither here nor there. Again, card feels really, really good. It's got some texture to it, although it doesn't quite feel as if it's the same as these ones here, which personally I like because it shows that they're putting a different amount of thought and effort and design into each pack as opposed to just changing the artwork. So good on you, Theory 11. All right. So this right here, I like the design of the Joker. However, I do like variants in my Joker cards. There doesn't appear to be any variance in either. For those who play spades, there is no big or little Joker. And for those who don't play spades, sorry, you're not going to get that reference. But as far as I can tell, there's no difference between Jokers. However, the artwork is still very, very nice. Alright, so the designs of on the cards is pretty straightforward. No change in texture in the suit as on the artwork for the suit as in the Star Wars pack. So pretty straightforward Jack design, looks pretty common, but if you can see, the Jack is holding a pen. So slight nod there, gotta love it. I'm not seeing anything too specific or James Bond related in the design of the Queen here, although she is holding a device that I don't remember seeing on most Queen, especially Queen of Spades cards. Gotta love that. King of Spades with the classic pistol. Good stuff there. Love that. Watch design. It's even got the crown right there. Good stuff. It would be nice if they had some sort of 007 nod somewhere in the deck, but hopefully that'll come around. If not, missed opportunity, Theory 11. Good stuff there, Jack, with a what appears to be a harpoon. The Queen with a Walther. The King also. Well done with the slight nods and the royalty. Very well done with these. Jack with a rifle. I quite like these a lot. Very, very well done. All the subtle nods, nothing over the top, nothing ostentatious. Love that. Very much so. Love the sight. All in all, I would say Theory 11 has certainly smashed it. Great job on the deck, on the design for everything. Get a up close, better look at the front and back again. Again, sorry I didn't get the adhesive or the sticker all the way off on that one. For those who are curious, the thickness of the paper does factor into whether or not this will be able to come off easily. So this paper was actually a little thicker, and I could tell that the adhesive was a little stronger, so that coupling led to this looking so sloppy. So again, sorry about that. But again, the artwork is very, very nice. So good job. Love it, Theory 11. So that one's going to stay here in the pack. This one, this sticker here will get some love on the back of my laptop or my tablet, whichever one I'm going to be using the most in the near future. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I am Jay Renard. This has been another unboxing, and I'm out. Peace.